So we have our potato chips and our breadsticks and one kind of bologna and one kind of sausage and a different kind of sausage. This is our ground meat. This is sour cream, some onions. This is some kind of cheese spread, like cream cheese kind of thing. Something to put with vodka. This is milk drink. Yeah, this is like, if you go to Bulgaria or Turkey, they have this similar kind of drinkable yogurt is what I think it's most like. Sugar, some apple juice. We just did this big shopping trip, and now we're gonna rest and have a snack.
And place now. Pelmeni.
Oh, is that part of our snack?
Yeah.
That's before.
Fried pelmeni.
Okay.
Yeah, before.
I haven't tried it yet, but guess what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. Do we want to make this juice cold and the soda cold?
We can.
Okay, let's put it in the freezer for like 45 minutes.
Vodka is already there.
Vodka's in the freezer?
Yeah.
Oh, you're ahead of me already. Okay. This and this. This is not the main dish. This is the appetizer dish.
Yeah. It's a snack.
And here's another snack for me.
I think vodka will not stand 45 minutes there.
No, I think it'll stay another minute or two.
It's impossible.
Okay.
It's a couple more. I think a couple more can be there.
There's
Oh, we can have different.
Oh no, we have to have matching. We have to make.
It's really like Ukrainian babushka's glasses.
Babushka's glasses. There, you heard it. Okay. And you know, I'm not a bartender, but technically, to be a cocktail, it needs to have 3 ingredients.
You're a cool bartender.
So we're going to use some of this juice and some of this juice, and then third ingredient. Well, why not? This is not traditional Ukrainian cocktail. This is just thirsty American cocktail.
Traditional Ukrainian cocktail. It's a vodka with a cucumber.
Okay.
It's a traditional vodka, cucumber, or we forgot salo.
Okay.
Tomorrow will be salo. Another very traditional Ukrainian dish.
Okay, we should have one.
You tried it, salo, yeah?
Maybe.
But it's like pork fat.
Budma.
Budma.
Okay, back to the cocktail. Okay, I told Igor that we would get a spoon, but he said no, it's not necessary. It's professional chef style. Alla.
Yeah.
It's cocktail time.
Американский коктейль.
Amerikanski cocktail.
Не, Саша, у тебя свой коктейль.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So this is American cocktail.
For Ukrainian-American friendship.
That's right. Okay, so there's the first cocktail. Okay, while we were over here drinking and cooking, Alla's making like beautiful appetizers.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we're gonna. Are we eating or are we drinking or we're waiting?
All together.
All together? We should try this now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go for one with meat.
Yeah, the same.
Okay. This is cheers. It's really good.
Cool. I like this bread.
The bread is really soft. It's really good. And then I don't know. What would you? This is like It's not spicy sausage, it's like...
Yeah, but it's because in Ukraine it's very popular. This.
Kids like to eat this kind of meat on bread, like for sandwich. It's a simple sandwich.
Yeah, so everywhere kids like this sausage, yeah?
Here's a different kind of sausage. It looks like it's got bigger pieces of fat in it. And this one's...
This sausage called
Moscow sausage.
Yeah.
And they sell it in Kyiv. You can buy Moscow sausage. That's simple.
But it's just a name.
Yeah. The meat is more firm than this one is softer. This one, maybe it's just because of the way this is like more firm sausage.
Yeah, yeah. Nobody can be sure that here is any meat.
Something's in there. And what's Sasha eating? Chips and...
Chips and ricini.
Ricini, it's the breadstick. And you're having a milkshake from McDonald's.
And she started
No, but
more.
I didn't have the camera rolling, and I just got this really sentimental toast that is not on camera. And Allah spoke English, a complete sentence.
I told you without camera.
Okay, well, it was very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are really was waiting for you. It's
Oh, I was waiting for this. This night is the reason I came to this town.
we always waiting for you. It's true.
This is how, when you hang out with these guys, this is how dinner goes. You eat a lot before you even start cooking dinner. Like we're eating, and we're not even...
Yeah, but it's vodka and some snacks before you cook some main dish.
Okay.
It's always, for us, it's very like soulful or something. It's close, it's warm.
Okay.
Cool.
I almost forgot. I brought some hot sauce to share. U.S. hot sauce. Put just like teeny tiniest drop.
О боже. Не?
Надо
Так я
капельку, дотронься просто. Все, тебе хватит. David should try kefir.
That's the perfect solution to that hot sauce. That's what she needs to drink.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, drink this. It'll help.
Так, я все это пробовал, я помню, не спал. Так что я в курсе.
My tongue is burning.
I remember that on Wednesday.
Yeah.
You extended wine and I have to sleep. Goodbye. I understood that if I left asleep, I feel like cashback.
Cashback.
But I didn't wanna cashback, so I walk, then go sleep. So if it's Alice, and you'll feel no.
It's like Ariane.
Yeah,
It's like
it's very similar.
It's like
without salt, it's not. But with salt, it's. But Aaron, it's a little bit more watery.
yeah, but it's like a thin yogurt. It's like yogurt that's
yeah.
thin. It's like
Yogurt, but not sweet. Yeah.
Sasha asked,
you
you try it every day.
no.
Next time you come to
Yes,
Ukraine,
sure.
we should make fried potatoes with kefir. It will be more because borscht, vareniki, something like this. You can try in any restaurant ever, but fried potatoes with kefir, it's hard to find.
Yes,
Take it from a pan.
Ukrainian traditional.
It's like
it's,
take it from a hut.
Okay. It's a little bit hot.
Yeah, but take a part of it because
It's very, very hot.
Yeah.
But not like the hot sauce hot. It's just hot because it's come from the pan.
Different hot.
It's like a dough dumpling with. Is that
it's,
pork in there?
Yeah. I don't remember.
I have to find the package.
Who's in that?
Some meat and some dumpling bread.
But it's grind.
Yes.
Grind? Yeah. Grind meat.
Ground meat.
Ground meat.
Ground.
Yeah. And it's really
Бери сковородку.
like Vareniki, but it's
Рукой.
But it's crispier.
Anyway, different.
Because it's fried.
No, it's crispier because it's
Fried, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you boil this or do you have to?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can boil it and it will be, and it's popular. It's most popular boiled with sour cream.
Okay. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put some of this in here, and then dip this in here. Yeah, good idea.
Very. Можешь макать сметанку.
Yeah. Okay. I love sour cream, and I love. Who doesn't love fried stuff? You put fried stuff with sour cream. It's like this is perfect food. I think this is one of these dinners that's going to go on for a few hours. This is just appetizer course here. All of this. I haven't even had a grape yet. And then we haven't even started the real thing. Igor just said, it's time for more vodka. I said there's 4 minutes left on the get this stuff.
We are good. Okay, it's a good fridge, so maybe cherry.
Yeah, I'm just taking it all out of the freezer and then I'll put it in the fridge so that we don't.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
It's pretty cold. This is kind of improvised cocktails, but okay, I'm not strong enough to open this bottle. You're supposed to just crack it. That's how you're supposed to do it. Yeah, just. Oh, see.
It's really.
Okay. This one is what is this? This is cranberry apple. Cranberry.
Cherry.
Cherry. Okay, cherry apple.
Blueberry. Саша.
We drank this stuff.
Черника, apple and blackberry.
Okay.
We need to.
I've lost in my.
It's okay. Everyone trusts that it's blackberry and apple.
David
drunk
trusts
and dumb.
me.
It looks like a blueberry to me, but if it's a blackberry, I'm not gonna argue.
Ah, this is blackberry.
Oh.
No, it's a blueberry.
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 Yeah, that's what the picture looked like to me.
Black.
Okay, well, whatever it is.
Black currant.
Oh, black currant. Oh,
Currant.
that's a different, yeah. Second cocktail of the night. Cheers.
Next will be Vareniki.
Next will be Vareniki.
Maybe.
Мой отец всегда говорил, чтобы сделать качественный продукт, надо сначала пить водку.
My father always said to make a quality product, you have to drink vodka first. There was a case when Igorek cooked something wrong called my father, and he asked, Igorek, did you drink vodka? Igorek said no, that's why you won't succeed.
Look at this kid, he's hungry.
Нам тоже надо.
There's a dumpling bandit who's taken all of our dumplings. He left, let's see, he left one for each of us. No, he left 3.
Ты уверен, что мы сегодня будем готовить вареники?
Are you sure that today we will cook dumplings?
I think it's very likely